A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter such that the segment and BD and DC, into which BC is divided by the point of contact D, are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find AB and AC length. Okay, so we need to make use of this diagram obviously. So first thing is, what is that we are looking at? We are looking at a triangle that is circumscribed a circle. Means it is just touching the circle and moving across. Sorry, it's touching the circle. Yeah, it's touching the circle and moving across. So basically, this length or all this length are tangents, right? So that has to be very obvious to us. So next is, let's kind of make the diagram a lot familiar. Right, if I join all of this, now it makes a bit sense. Let me change the color though. Right, all these are radius. All this green color are radius, right? And let me name the point of contact. So let me name this as P. We'll call that as M. Then what else? Yeah, that's it. Okay, let us write few things. See, point C is an external point. So CP is equal to CD, is it not? Length of the tangent equal and all of that. So similarly, DB is equal to BM, 8 centimeter. We have to find AC and AB. So basically, if this is X, this also will be X. So we have to find X plus 6 and X plus 8. So basically, I have to find X. This is one unknown. There is only one unknown. We need one equation. Okay. So how will we get that equation? We'll get it with the help of area of triangle ABC. Okay. So the whole funda is to find the area of triangle ABC. Find equation actually. Find two equations in terms of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. Equate it and you'll get the answer. Right. So we did a small bit of construction. Again, I just want to be careful. If your teachers are okay, you need not write this. Join OD, OB, OM, OA. OD was actually already joined actually. OP, OC, right? Where point P comma M are point of contact. Again, I'm just being careful. That's a small detail. I'm sure I don't think it's that important, but yeah. Let me not decide on that. It depends on the exam that you're writing. Okay. Okay. Next thing is, let us see to that we write all of this, that AP is equal to AM, which is equal to X. We'll call that, because length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. Actually, I got a bit distracted. So where was I? The length of a tangent of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, right? They are equal. Close the bracket. Okay. Now, similarly, we have CD is equal to CP is equal to 6 centimeter. Then not A, BD is equal to BM, CP is equal to 8 centimeter. Right? Okay. Next, see, I told you the whole idea is about area of triangle. How can I find the area of triangle ABC? There are two ways. Area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. So how do you go about doing it? First is area of triangle using Heron's formula is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c to the power of half, where s is semi-perimeter of the triangle. So a plus b plus c divided by 2. So what is a over here? A, we can take it as 6 plus 8, that is 14 centimeter. We can take b as 6 plus x, and we can take c as 8 plus x, right? Okay. Now, it doesn't matter what you take ABC as. Therefore, s will be equal to 14 plus 6x plus 8x entire thing divided by 2. So this is equal to 14 plus x, right? Then we'll talk about area of triangle ABC is equal to 14 plus x into 14 plus x minus 14 into 14 plus x minus a, right? But here remember, a is, b is 6 plus x. So we need to be careful with the brackets. Into 14 plus x minus 8 plus x. Again, here I have to put brackets. I'll just color code it so that there's no confusion. And then the big brackets. So let me use some other color. This is to the power of half, right? Again, don't need to solve it too much, just a bit of cancellation, right? Plus x minus x plus 14 minus 14 plus x minus x. And so this will be 14 plus x into 14 minus x, that is 8, then 6 to the power of half. 1, oh, into x, I forgot into x itself, right? So this is basically your equation 1, right? Next, we have to find equation 2. Where will we get the equation 2? So we'll get it with the help of this concept, that is area of triangle ABC is made up of 3 triangles, triangle 1, triangle 2, and triangle 3. So we have 1, 2, and this is 3. Okay, so it's a combination of 3 triangles, is it not? So we have area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OAC. So individually, you'll find the area of those triangles. How? Using the formula, area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So in each of this, the height is the radius. Okay, we can make a note of that, or you can just tell it over here. Area of triangle OBC is equal to half into base is 14 into height is 4. Reason being 14 into 2 centimeter square, right? 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, I'm not multiplying. I'll show you why later. So radius and tangent are perpendicular to each other. For that reason, we have this particular formula. Okay. Similarly, you have area of triangle OAB, it is equal to half into base is 8 plus x into height, it is 4. So this will be 8 plus x into 2 centimeter square. Next is area of triangle OAC, I guess. Yeah. Half into base is 6 plus x. I hope I'm taking the values right, or I'm just there's a mismatch. Into 4. So this will be 2 times of 6 plus x centimeter square, right? Then we have therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 28 plus 2 times of 8 plus x plus 2 times of 6 plus x. So this is basically if I have, okay, I'll show you why I didn't take 14 into 2 as 28. See, point is, see here we have 2 common. So most of the time you need not calculate things, it'll just things will fall in place. So this will be 8 plus x. If I take 2 common, these are the terms that will be left out. So the calculation becomes very simple. So 2 times of 14, 20, 28 plus 2x. So I'll take 2 common. So 2 times of 2 is 4. 14 plus x will be left out. This will call it as equation 2. Because equation 1 and equation 2 are talking about the same thing, we'll tell from 1 and 2. Right? We have 14 plus x times of x into 8 into 6 is equal to 4, right? Times of 14 plus x. If I square both, okay, by the way, there is to the power of half, don't forget that. So now I'll square both the sides. So we have 14 plus x into 8 into 6 is equal to 4 square, right? 4 into 4, not 14, sorry, 4 into 4 into 14 plus x the whole square. So we have, this is 14 plus x and 14 plus x, right? They'll cancel and we have 4 ones are 4 twos are, then 2 twos are 2 threes are, 2 ones are 2 ones are. So 3x is equal to 14 plus x. So transpose it. 2x is equal to 14. X is equal to 7 centimeter. So we found x and that's it. Everything else will fall in place. So long calculation, conceptually it's not too hard, but the calculation is long. So AC will be 13 and AB will be 15, right? Therefore, AC is equal to 13 centimeter and AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, right? So pause and have a good look at the solution. So we use Heron's formula first and we found an equation, and here we use idea of the main area of the triangle is made up of 3 parts, and that area is half into base into height, right? And we know the height we know because all these are 90 degree, is it not? This is 90, this is 90, and this is 90. Okay, and so we use that idea and we wrote all of this, and then we equated and solved it and we got the answer.